Have you noticed how kids' animation channels are blowing up lately? These channels are pulling in thousands of dollars a month. And get this, it only takes about 10 minutes to create these videos using only your phone and these two free tools. Let's dive into it. But first, we'll brainstorm some ideas. So let's search for some ideas on ChatGPT. Let's go to the search bar and we're going to put in give me 10 kids 2D animation story ideas. Click send. And now it's going to give us 10 ideas. These are pretty good. The Lost Sock, the Tiny Gardener. I'm going to choose the Lost Sock Adventure. A group of socks that were missing in the laundry comes to life. They embark on a journey to reignite with their owners, encouraging other lost items along the way. So we're going to put give me 2D animation story about the Lost Sock Adventure. I'm going to go to the top and we're going to copy the Lost Sock Adventure right there. And we're going to send. Now it's going to give me 10 scenes. Well, about 10 scenes, the narrator, the action, the background. It's all pretty much doing the work for you. And then we're going to head on over to Canva, get a blank canvas, and first we're going to make some characters. So in the sock adventure, it said it had a scarf. So we're going to pick this pretty blue one right here, and we're going to enlarge it because we want to make it look like it's alive. So now we're going to click elements again, and we're going to search for some eyes. Now we want really good eyes. These ones are perfect. We're going to put them at the top. To make the scarf look lifelike, we're going to need a mouth. So we're going to put in smile, and this one is pretty cute. Let's make it a little smaller so it fits, and let's move these eyes up just a little bit. Great. Now that we have this, we're going to click the download and make sure you put transparent background. We're going to use these characters for later and we need the background gone. So then you click download. It also said there were mittens. So let's pick these cute little mittens right here. I thought about using these eyes, but these aren't going to work. So we're going to delete these eyes and we're going to delete this smile. And we're going to look for some other eyes. I think lashes would look pretty cool on the mittens. So let's look for eyes and some lashes. Got them. We're going to shrink them down to put them on the mittens. And then we're going to click the mittens and we're going to click copy. And then we're going to put the mittens, the eyes on the other mitten. Now we need a smile. So we're going to use this one. Just shrink it down a little bit. Yeah, this one's the same as the scarf. And we're going to copy and we're going to take the smile and we're going to put it on the other mittens. And now we have some mittens. We're going to click download. When creating these characters, don't forget to click transparent background. You will see farther in the video how the transparent background really helps and cuts down some time. So now that we have the mittens, these are good. We are going to need to find a shirt. It also said a t-shirt. So we're going to grab this green one right here, stretch it out just a bit. And now we're going to look for some eyes. So I found some eyes with a smile. This is good. Perfect. So now we're going to download the t-shirt. Click download. Make sure you got the transparent background on and click download. Perfect. So now we're going to look for a YouTube video because now this is where we create the animation. So now you're going to look for a laundry room. As it said in the description, it was in a laundry room where this cartoon was going to take place. So I found this laundry room and I really like it, but let's jazz it up a little bit. So let's add a laundry basket. So this one is pretty nice. Perfect. Let's shrink it down a bit, put it in the corner. Nice. Now we are going to want to make this scene a little bit longer. Now, usually I click the scene, and then right down at the bottom, you see the timing. We're going to put it to 10 seconds. That's a good amount because this will help in the future of the video. You'll see. So now we're going to look for elements. Click elements, and then we're going to put in a sock. This is the main character. This little sock right here. So now we're going to put it right at the bottom. Turn it just a bit so it looks like it's laying there, as you can see. Put a little tiny sock right at the bottom of the washer. And now we're going to look for a washing machine. We want to liven this area up, give the kids some movement in the video. So as you can see, this washer machine, it's moving like it's washing clothes. And now we're going to look for clothes. Just some clothes laying on the ground. These ones are good. Put them right by the basket. Let's look for some more. These ones are good. Okay, and we're going to put them down here. Maybe turn them a bit to make it look like it's laying on the ground. There we go. Just like that. Great. Perfect. Now you can see that it actually looks like an animation for kids. So now we're going to add a cat. The more your cartoon is moving, the better. Because kids, they don't have a great attention span. So they want to see things moving, things to get their attention. We're just going to set this cat right here on top of the washing machine. Doesn't this look so cute? It's perfect. All right. So now the next step we're going to do is copy this scene. So now that we have two separate scenes, we're going to go to the second scene and we're going to click the sock. We're going to delete this sock because now the sock is supposed to come to life. So now we're going to look for a sock with eyes. Perfect. A yellow one right here. We're going to shrink it down and put it in the exact spot, but looking upwards. See? Just like that at the bottom of the washing machine. So now we're going to make it look like the sock came to life. So what we need to find is eyes that are blinking or moving. These ones are exactly what we're looking for. Let's shrink them down and put them on the sock. Whoa, those are too big. Just a little bit smaller. Just fit them right at the top, cover those other eyes. Now we're going to click copy, and now we have 3 scenes. Now you want to enlarge the third scene so that we can see the sock a little bit clearer. We're going to enlarge the laundry area. We're going to enlarge the washing machine and just put it exactly where it was before, and we're going to delete everything else except the sock. Now, then we're going to make the sock a little bit bigger because we made this scene a bit bigger. So now we can see the sock a little bit better. So now you just have to adjust it, and there we go. So now we're going to add those mittens we made earlier. Blow them up a little bit, set them next to the sock. We're going to add the green t-shirt that we made earlier. See, now we don't have to remove the background because we already made them. Now we're going to click animate. We're going to go all the way to the back and click motion effect and click wiggle. Now it looks like they're moving. Remember, more movement in your cartoon and the kids will love it. And then the t-shirt's going to move, and then the sock is going to move. Move them all. So it makes it look like they're almost talking, having a conversation. Now we're going to take the green shirt and we're going to move it just over a little bit so it's peeking into the scene. And now we're going to click wiggle, find wiggle. And then we're going to go to tools. Now we're going to make it look like the green shirt is coming in. So you're just going to move the green shirt coming into the scene. And I'm going to click smooth because I want it to look a little bit more smoother. There we go. Isn't that perfect? I love that. Now we're going to add in some transitions. Click the plus sign between the scenes, and then it will say transitions. We're going to click dissolve. See that? Perfect. Go to the next plus, click that, transition, dissolve. And that's it. That's how you make this little cartoon. This is only the first part. Now you want to add audio, you want to add voiceover, and you want to add some subtitles. So now, as you can see, everything is pretty well. We've done everything we could do in Canva, but we need to make this cartoon a bit better. So let's hop on over on CapCut. Make sure you download your video and upload it to CapCut. Now we're going to click text to audio. Copy the narrator on ChatGPT, what he said, and put it in this text box. You're using the text-to-speech feature. I'm going to use my cloned voice. Yes, you can clone your voice on CapCut. It's pretty cool and it's free. So now it's generated, and here are my subtitles. I'm going to move this up because I want to see everything still. And I'm going to click effects and put it in this yellow hue that I like with a black outline. This is what it's going to look like. Don't worry, I'm going to add some audio. So put in kid sound and put in cute pop song for a sunny day. Grab it and turn it down to 10 because you want to hear the song, but then you don't want to hear it too much. This is what it's going to look like. Now what you're going to do is put it into 2K, 4K, and you're going to download it. That's it. Yes. So now, the moment you've all been waiting for, here's the video.
In a small, sunlit laundry room, a mystery was unfolding. Socks were disappearing without a trace, leaving their pairs behind. But today, something magical was about to happen. This little sock named Stitch had no idea how it ended up here. But it knew one thing for sure: it had to find its other half. But Stitch wasn't alone. Soon, other lost items began to stir.
As you can see, creating faceless kids animation videos with Canva is easier than you might think. Are you ready to give it a try? If this video helped you in any way, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.